Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burl walnut trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climb controls. Hard keys for a media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 11,289 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.